World Organic Group solves the environmental problem of waste from poultry farms in one day. Usually, litter waste from poultry farms is a problem for most businesses. It contains pathogenic microorganisms, heavy metals, sulfides, acids, benzopyrroles, organosulfur compounds, phenols. It decomposes and emits ammonia and other harmful substances. Our company has developed a technology that allows us to recycle all the manure produced at the plant into solid organic fertilizer per day. The whole cycle takes no more than 24 hours, and after that, the finished organic fertilizer can be put into the ground.